Yonkers Kia.
Hi, my name is Shannon from Yonkers Kia, and today I'm here to show you the all-new 2021 Kia Seltos S. Connecting your phone to your new Kia Seltos is very simple. All you need is your phone and your USB wire, which you'll plug in, and you'll see an option here for Apple CarPlay. It's gonna ask you permission to access your phone, which then you'll just click OK. Once you're there, you're gonna be able to see all of your available apps. Music apps such as Spotify, Pandora, navigation apps such as Apple Maps and Waze. You're also gonna have Siri integrated into your system. Just the way Siri works on your phone, she now works in your car. You can use her to help you with texting, making phone calls, and other commands. Hey Siri, navigate to Yonkers Kia.
Getting directions to Yonkers Kia.
If you want to learn more about the new 2021 Kia Seltos, come check us out at Yonkers Kia, where respect is a two-way street.
Yonkers Kia, Yonkers Kia, Yonkers Kia, Yonkers Kia, Yonkers Kia, Yonkers.